So it's like the last minute of its beauty. And now I gotta go. We don't get any more beauty. And now it's a storm. And that is a, oh, that's rotation. No. That was rotation. Pretty crazy of it. But dude, that was no, we saw rotation. I saw rotation. Dominic! That had to be rotation. I don't know if I saw it in the I don't know if you guys saw it, but it was like a little cloud sticking down. To be honest, it might not have been tornado. It might just be in or something. I get a okay view. My sound system. Dominic. Yep, I saw it. I saw it on this. I have 1 minute. Sorry, but my time is up. I have to go. For safety, I am 14, so I am not trusting a storm of beauty. Because it's called beautiful, it's beautiful killers. It's so cool. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a final good look. Oh, shoot, I just missed a good, even better look. That's okay. That's the thunder. Incoming. Trying to give you guys a last look.